What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? I'm MakeupPixie. I do unboxings, I do tutorials, so if you're into all things makeup, consider subscribing to my channel for weekly makeup fun. So we're together again for a Boxycharm unboxing. We are going to open the February 2019 Boxycharm box. So Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription service. It's $21 a month and you get 5 full-size products. If you're very excited to see what we got in this month's box, hit that like button and let's go ahead and go on with the video. So let's see what is in here. So this month's theme is Afterglow. Let's see. The first thing I'm going to grab is from Pharmacy. It's called Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Alrighty, so we got some skincare in here. So now let me see, because I have very sensitive skin, so I can't just use anything. Does it say? Facial cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. Yeah, so this one retails for $22. Very excited that I can actually use it because, like I said, I have sensitive skin, so I can't just use anything. Like I can't use anything with like alcohol fragrances in it or anything. So this is cool. I'm glad that I actually can partake and use it. So that is $22. So the next thing I have here is from Touch in Soul. It's the No Problem Primer, smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. You know what's funny? I actually got a sample of this, like a sample size in the Ipsy February bag. That's hilarious. So I have one to travel and I have my full size here. So let's see what this says for this. So Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. This one retails for $18. Cool. So now we have a lippy from Trestique, and this is the Prime and Color Lip Glaze in English Rose. It kind of looks like a big crayon. Funny, and you can see the color here at the bottom. I love when the products do that, when you can see the color on the packaging. I think it makes it way easier to be able to choose from, like especially if you have a lot like I do. So I took off the top, and this is like a twist up, and this is the color. I'm going to go ahead and swatch. Let's swatch right here. Okay, ooh, it's nice and smooth. Alrighty, okay, cute color. Okay, so oh, look at that, the little bottom comes off. Also, this is like the primer for the lips. Oh, wow, cool. And that just has no color. It's just, I don't think you're even gonna be able to see it, but it's just like a clear, like a translucent, like it just goes on transparent. Oh, I get it. Oh, cool, interesting. So you have your little primer on the bottom and your lip color on the top. How funny is that? Oh, and it's a magnetic. It's a magnetic closure. Oh, cool. Very cool. They put lots of thought into this. So this one is Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon, and this one retails for $25. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I know a lot of people are obsessed with this mascara. I actually am not, only because I have very straight lashes, so not a lot of mascaras hold my curl, and this is one of them. I tried it once and it just didn't work. So this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to go ahead and open it for those who are not familiar with it, and I'm just going to show you guys the brush. So I'm going to show you guys the brush, and it's a very thick brush, and it has like that curve to it, which definitely adheres to the lashes well. It's just, for me, the formula just doesn't work. It's just too heavy and my lashes just go bloop, so it doesn't work. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara retails for $24, so we're gonna add that, and we're at $89. I'm telling you, this is like the bomb. Because I mean, come on, $20 and you get all this stuff. Come on guys, it is awesome. So we have here from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, we have a highlighter. It's Shimmering Swan number 127 Sparkling Sass. I like Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics packaging. I feel like they put a nice amount of detail on it. Like, look at this. I really like their packaging. So this is a reflective, kind of like almost mirrorish case. And we have here the highlighter, and this looks like it has a nice gold tone to it, which will work very well for my skin tone. And wow, look at that pigmentation. Let's swatch right here. Ooh, very, very nice. I'm just gonna do a double one. Oh wow, look at that. That is a very nice gold toned highlighter, which will work very well with my skin tone. Very excited for that. The Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics highlighter retails for $32. So, which brings our total to, ready for this, $121. Like, it's insane. You pay $21 and you get all this stuff. How dope is that? So the products that I'm most excited for is the Pharmacy, the Clean Bee facial cleanser, because it is okay to use with sensitive skin. Like, it's safe for sensitive skin, so I'm very excited about that. You know, because I would hate to get something that I can't use. So this is good. Like, I'm glad that I'm able to try it. And of course the Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics highlighter, because you can never have too many highlighters in your life. And this was such a cute color. Like, I'm excited when I get a nice gold tone because it goes better with my skin tone. So definitely excited for that. And I'm intrigued by this Trustique lip crayon. Like, the packaging alone is kind of like really cool. So I'm excited to see how the primer works with the lip product. Like, I wonder if it does make a difference. I'm going to try it like with and without and see if it actually, you know, if it makes a difference. So we're at the end of our February Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Follow me on social media. All my info is linked down below. Till the next video, guys.